Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett's longtime investment partner, made headlines recently when he spoke at the Daily Journal's virtual annual meeting and called Chinese electric vehicle maker BYD his favorite stock ever. This is high praise coming from Munger, who has a long and successful history of investing in companies with strong long-term potential. Munger credited Li Lu, founder of Seattle-based asset manager Himalaya Capital, for introducing him to BYD. Berkshire Hathaway, the investment firm led by Munger and Buffett, first invested in around 220 million shares of BYD in September 2008. Since then, the stock has increased more than 600% in the past 10 years, making it a highly lucrative bet for Berkshire. At the current price of BYD stock, little BYD is worth more than the entire Mercedes Corporation. It's not a cheap stock, but on the other hand, it's a very remarkable company, Munger said during the meeting. Munger also had high praise for BYD CEO Wang Chuanfu, whom he called a genius and a workaholic. He compared BYD to Tesla and said that BYD is way ahead of Tesla in China. Tesla last year reduced its prices in China twice. BYD increased its prices. We are direct competitors. BYD is so much ahead of Tesla in China. It's almost ridiculous, Munger said. Munger's comments are particularly noteworthy given his reputation as a savvy investor who has helped build Berkshire Hathaway into one of the most successful investment firms in the world. He has a long history of making prescient investments in companies with strong long-term potential, and his endorsement of BYD is likely to be taken seriously by many investors. That said, Munger did not completely dismiss Tesla. He acknowledged that Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, is talented, but called him peculiar. He previously said that what Musk achieved in the car business was a minor miracle. However, he also said that he neither buys nor shorts Tesla. BYD, on the other hand, is clearly a company that Munger has a lot of faith in. He pointed out that the company recently announced that it expects a record-adjusted annual profit for 2022 of $2.4 billion, around 1,200% above 2021. This is a remarkable feat for a company that few people had even heard of just a few years ago. If you count all the manufacturing space they have in China to make cars, it would amount to a big percentage of the Manhattan Island, and nobody had ever heard of them a few years ago, Munger said. Overall, Munger's comments about BYD and Tesla are likely to be closely scrutinized by investors in the coming weeks and months. While he did not completely dismiss Tesla, his endorsement of BYD is a strong signal that he believes the Chinese electric vehicle maker has a bright future ahead of it.